Kublai pi baro ni pedang subhai pi shkring ka tup kubor mta ka janmit na shwabun yes dang tingi phashish mat ki bakung san. Kiu ki bala kwat na ka jingpang covid khat khandaya ka ri shaka khandai line point riu san na ka shispa. Yamir jingmut umenti rangba ka jalau konrat ki sangma bat ki he ka company Big Fly halor ka jingpentri kami ka lingsun na Shillong sha Delhi. Kutno ka dorbar telang jong ka Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council minta ka sengi. Bat pinlong ka komso da ka jingra lama yong bandawa halor ka jingpentri kamno ya ka inline permit hapo ka jela. Ki khubor ki babnya. Da ka jinglap ba ki don sa saupulai hajar prapo arngut ki bayo thamai ka jingpang covid khat khandai. Ki bapang baro akari ki la poisha ka khandai pulai lak khandai hajar nyuspa prapo prangut. Katanat kakut ka kia aklayatu ba ki don sa sauspa khandai po arngut ki berang shuyap thamai na kani ka jingpang. Kabla pinpoy yap ki bayap baro syaka shilak lai pusan hajar nyuspa khat sangut. Tad hadub lalum ya kani ka khubor ki bedang don hapedeng kani ka jingpang hakari kalong saulak san pusan hajar sanspa san pusan ngut. Kat ba ki bala koit pat kilong prapu nyolak khat prajar sanspa khat nyongut. Kintup ya ki lai khandai hajar lai spa nyup khandai ngut ki berang syukot thamai hakini ki arpsau kenta ki bala deb. Habashim jingkhan kulum ki balakot baro kilong khandai pulai point riusan na ka shispa. Hakui pat kalyang ha ka jala Meghalaya hinin kasngi lalap baki don sa hanrupu prangut ki barang yo pang thamai kat ba ki barang syukot pat kilong laipun riungut. Tat hadu mta ki bala yo ya kani ka jingpang baro ha ka jala kilong shpawajar sanspa arpsaungut kintop ya ki khandai spa sau punyongut ki barang shuyo thamai kat ba ka jingpang baro kalakio syaka shispa shipaungut. Menteri rangba ka jalau konrat ke sangma hinin kasngi ula penlong ka jingi mir jingmut bat ki he ka flyback bat ru bat ka tanat transport halor ka jing pentri kam ya ka lingsun ka ban her na Shillong sha Delhi. Menteri rangba ka jala ling ba ka Twitter ula pentip ba ka badang sa mta ka long saban yo ka air operators permit na ka tanat lingsun. Na ka liang uni menteri ula ong basyan in sa sedang no ya ka ni ka kam henry uklampat iPad ya ka tarik kabatikna balanu in pentrikam. Ka flyback kadi ka company lingson kabat thamai, kaban penkmi ya ka jing penheri ki lingson na Shillong sha Delhi, lingba ka jing ya trailang bat ka skim udan jong ka sarkar pedeng.
We are hopeful that all the permissions will be received very soon from the Aviation Ministry, and we are hopeful that the flights also will start very soon. So I don't want to say anything right now in terms of the dates, but I am hopeful that very soon we'll be able to start the flights. So we're just waiting for the paperwork and the permissions.
Ya ka dorbar telang jong ka GHADC lapin kutno hakasngi ka baar jong ka dorbar minta kasngi hakani ka dorbar la wanra ikimat yakran halor ka forest policy ka balathau da ka GHADC kanang ban pintmai no ya ka GHADC Forest Act and Rules kabla rim ka bam ya hapshu kat kum kapor ka baminta kayeng kala menjeru ban pintmai ka amendment bill jong ka Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council halor ka an ilaka and village and election appointment powers functions and jurisdiction of Dolois Sordar and Wahech Nong Act Arajar Arpo da ka bakintup ya ka jat papang bat jat minsu hakatup ban yakun hakajingjit Doloi Hashangpung. Menteri rangba ka jala Meghalaya konrat ke sangma hinin kasngi ula ong ba baro ki seng senrap hapo ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kila menjur ba ka jing keno ka bala penpau da ki katu kat ni kinong ilam jong ka seng BGP kilong ki bam don nongrim haba ajing kran hadin bala wai ka jing yalang jong ka sarkar senrap MDA usangma ula ong bala shim ya karai bantawi ki kendon babu jingkeli halor kino kimat da ki kinhun ki badan benta hapo ka sarkar senrap lang ula kentait ru halor ka jing keno ba kaladon ka jing bam yat bet yat ranti hapo ka GHADC bat JHADC bat kamru ba baro kiseng senrop ki kershan bat chanya ha ka sarkar MDA.
Allegations were baseless. They have been very clear that if there are any issues or any concerns, then the concerned partners can always discuss with the Chief Minister and can bring it to the coordination committee. And felt that even the method and the way in which it was brought out was wrong. and it shouldn't have been done. But as I said, we are not trying to rake up this issue anymore. We have decided as a coordination committee and as MDA to now move forward from all of this and now ensure that we work in a much more coordinated effort and way to ensure that no such communication gap is there in between the members of the
Hadin ka jing ngap jar kumba pra benai AA ka jing dawa inline permit kalam mi biang sa sin pat wat hapadeng jong ka klam covid khat khandai ki seng bhalang ba pher ki bahap apo kalama jong ka komsu minta ka sngi ki la penlong ka jing yat pat ba ringkat ki lama yong bandawai ki jing pentri kam ya ka ILP apo ka jela Meghalaya ka sarkar pedeng hadu minta ka dang ngap jar syapang ka jing pentri kam ya ka ILP wat hadin ba ki ying dorbar thawaan ka jela kala dab ban minjur hakabaya day bat ka jing pentri kam ya ka ILP hapo ka jela Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad sangma uladep banyakren bat Menteri Ketenat ki Kampo Iyeng hakapor ke babiang banyakren halor ke jingdawa penteri kami ke ILP hapok ke jela usangma hinin kesni ula ong baya ke online registration system na ke benta jong kitu baro ki batemu bandrung syapo jong ke jela in sabu no shen ula benrap ru baki rukom pendrung kerteng ki long ki basuk bat enla ban yo lingba ki app lani ki website
situation that we are facing. Registration is becoming compulsory. So even in the future now, people who are going to come into the state need to go through a compulsory registration process. And this process will be made very easy through a software and an app that is going to be online. And within seconds, the person can register and receive a QR code.
Ringkat bat karihi barok kawai laraki ka Constitution Day lane ka riti sensyari ha Meghalaya hinin kesngi. Kiseng bat kitanat paper ki laraki yakni kesngi ringkat ke jingpuli ka preamble jong ka riti sensyari. Yakni ka program la penlong da ka jingya trai ha pedeng ka Assam Rifles bat ka North Eastern Hill University nalor ki wei pat kiseng ki badon hapo ka nongba. Haba ajing kran yakni kesngi uba met pa lingdo ula mait pang ba ka jingya tli bat ka jingya long shipara kidai ki pang pedeng ki batek song yakari India.
In India as a whole, we have to come together and ensure that unity is being, at any cost. And at the same time, we understand very well that secularity also is one thing which has to be respected at any cost. And because if there's no secularity, there'll be no India.
Meghalaya Directorate of Dairy Development Klaraki ka National Milk Day arajar arpau hayojana bhavan ha Shillong hinin kesngi haba ajing kren hakani kesngi usimbot Menteri Rangba ka jela Meghalaya uba prestun tinsong ula ong balaraki ka National Milk Day kumshi bentaban ai buram halor ka jingno senyang jong u Dr. Varghese Kurin ubadai u father of the White Revolution uba tinsong ula benrap ba ka government kala penkre ban kersan yakinongri masih dot bat ban kentiu ya kayo ka kot jongki lingba ka project paper ki bahap apo jong ka dairy sector ha ka jela ki balai don lang hakani ka jingelang ki kentup ya principal secretary shaka sarkar Meghalaya jong ka tanad Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department u GHP Raju u chairman ka Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission u KN Kumar but u secretary shaka Meghalaya jong ka tanad Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department u C Manjunatha Mentapat ni petsoy ka jinglong jiman ka simbeneng ha Shillong. Ka jingshet kalong R4.8 degree Celsius pat ka jingkriat kalong kat R degree Celsius. Ka jingsngam kawaw kalong saw nakasispa akapor minstep bat nrupu pran nakasispa akapor janmiet. Ka simbeneng kanrang ha Shillong bat haki jaka ki bamarjan. Ni penkenmawi pi ba yakani ka khubor jongi pila ru ban page live ha ka YouTube page jong ka DD News Shillong. Nalor ka ba piyo aka television pila ban let ka YouTube channel jong ka DD News Shillong na ka benta ki khubor ki baman la kasngi. Haswa ban penkut nya pai bang session ki mat ki bakongsan. Kiu ki blakot na ka jingpang COVID khat kandai ha ka risha ka kandai pulai point riusan na ka shispa. Yang mirjengmut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ki sangma bat ki hea ke company Big Fly halor ka jing penteri kami ke lingsun na Shillong Delhi Kudno ka dorbar kelang jong ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council menta ka sngi. Bat pinlong ka komso da ka jingra lamayong bandawa halor ka jing pentri kamno eka inline permit apo ka jila. Di perlok ka tuing lapoy sa bakut jong kani kutup kubor jongi menta ka janmit hadup na siyam yang bat pila syai ka sngi kublay pi baro.
The Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority Shillong, under the aegis of the National Legal Services Authority New Delhi, will organize the National Lok Adalat on the subject matters to be held on the 5th of December 2020 in the High Court of Meghalaya, District Courts, District Council Courts, Subdivisional Courts, Deputy Commissioner's Office, etc. Any person or party receiving the Lok Adalat notice